How to contact Sephora customer service. Here are the best ways to get in touch with Sephora customer service. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the search address bar, search for the Sephora customer service or contact Sephora and hit enter and search for it. Once done so, scroll down and tap on the contact customer service or contact Sephora option available there and navigate to its official site. Once there, you will get to see some numbers available. Fridays have the shortest hold times and Sundays are quieter overall. In the call menu, you can simply reach a live person, and you can also tap on the live chat and simply contact us page available there and type down your problem in the live chat option available there. There is no general customer service email, but there are the phone numbers and live chat option available. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.